This is Adam and Dan.
No!
This is Adam and Dan doing a documentary on the we're going to walk the train lines and try and hijack a JCB.
A day in a life.
This is a day in the life of Dan and Adam on the piss with bacon and the sandwich.
They fucked me over for a week, I tell you. A week. I saw a disabled lady over here looking at the stairs.
I thought, okay, guys, shh, everyone shush. Okay, shh.
Look right.
Shh, here we go. Shh. I'm fucking scared. Let's go. Shh. We're going across the train lines, man. Do you reckon they're gonna... Oh, who is that? What do you want, man? Fuck off. Oh. Wait, if there's a train coming, we're fat, bro, I swear. Oh, shit. We're not allowed. We literally want one photo on that. We're on YouTube, we're on a subscription channel. Is that right? We've literally got 300,000 subscriptions. Is that if we do that? What if we set you 20 quid? Could we do it? Nah. You want to buy my sandwich? Shake my hand, man. Shake my hand. You're on YouTube. Is that right?
Sorry.
Is that right if you're on YouTube? Shake my hand.
Yeah. Like you want. What's your name? Say your name. Steve.
This is fucking Steve, people. Unfortunately, we couldn't get on the JCB tonight, lads.
That's not actually JCB.
What is it, Steve? What is it?
Oh, that's a letdown.
Steve, what is it?
It's not JCB. That's on track. Oh, I can't remember. It's a Mechalak.
No, Steve. A Mechalak on track. Do you hear that, people? Steve. This is to fix the railway in Ware. Because it's a piece of shit track. We're renewing it. We're upgrading. The Ware level crossing. In ways, most of you are going to be thinking Steve has stopped us from achieving our goal, but in a way, Steve has helped us from achieving bad injury. I'm so sorry.
How do we do that? How do we hop over and jump on the JCB? Well, you can't. Just go around and take it from the fence.
What, hop the fence? The metal fence?
Well, do whatever you want.
I'd stab me nuts on it.
I saw a man stabbing nuts on it once.
Steve, if you was to turn a blind eye, could we quickly run and just touch the JCB and run away?
What the fuck is that?
What if... Quick, Steve, what's that? Steve, can I do it on my own? Can I do a solo mission, Steve?
I don't know what you're doing. Just go in the car park and do it.
Well, look, Steve, look. Steve, have you...
Have you seen how slippery this is? Look.
Yeah, I know, we've just been down it and up it.
You've got no orange on.
Can we borrow your shoes?
No. Steve, I believe you was missing my orange on my shirt. I've got literally 2 seconds. I'll be 2 seconds up there. Steve, please, Steve, if you call the police, I'll love you, but please, look. I'm literally going to go up there, touch it and run the fuck away like a girl. Steve has allowed us permission to run up and touch it. Let's go. This is Steve. Steve is a hero. Let's go. Right, we're going, ladies and gentlemen. We are fucking live and we are running along the Ware train station tracks.
Stop. No.
What do you mean? Wait, fucking stop. Who's that? Look, boys, there's a guy over here.
Blend into the environment.
Blend in. Be a tree. Be a tree, Dan. Be a tree. Dan, switch the tracks, Dan. If they're live, we're going to get our ball sack squashed and shit. I'm going to see what the other guys say. We can't mention Steve's name because you'll be in trouble. We've got to say it was Eric or something. Where the fucking hell? What are we on the train station?
We cannot mention
Wait, shut. Look, there's people there, look. I'm going to try and zoom in a bit, you know what I mean?
Try and blend in with the stones.
Blend in with the stones. Oh, it'll be so funny if we have to run. I'm going to piss my pants. Oh, mate. Oh, hang on, it's starting up a bit.
What the fuck is it doing?
I don't know, but it's fucking doing something. Where's the CD?
Shit.
Oh, look, there's two guys right there. Wait, look. Should we shout a picture? Wait, look, hang on, there's Steve. Can't see outside. Who the fuck is behind us?
He's gonna fuck us up.
Who's that?
Oh, we're surrounded.
Hang on, shut up. Wait. We're surrounded, boys. I have fucking shit more shit. There is bear room. Wait, hang on, he's laying straight down.
Mum, Dad, I love you. I love you.
Dad, I love you so much. Oh my god, Mum, Dad. Oh, I'm gonna die. There's a man walking towards us right now. There's a man. Wait, run. Fucking run. Dan, run. There's a man. There's a fucking man. Oh, fucking hell. Fucking leg it. Fucking leg it. Oh shit, he fucking died. Fucking leg it. Shit. Fucking MC, that on me. Fucking stole your train line, dickhead. Fucking, I'm touching JCB. Fucking on me. What dad if you want sandwich? I'm bare hungry, man. Oh, look, he's fucking jumping. Oh, look. The cat. Oh, he's robbed the canister for the bench. Duh. Oh, shit.
That's Steve.
Shit, dynamite, mate. Fucking dynamite. Go. There we escaped then. Oh, my sandwich. My fucking sandwich. Bite of victory.
Fucking hot, fucking.